River Falls are that away, so let's go.
Doyle's River Falls trailhead. That way. Here we go. We are currently in the middle of Doyle's River Falls, correct?
Well, the trail down to Doyle's River Falls.
Yeah, stupid thing. This morning we had a leisurely breakfast and we checked out of our room. We have 3 different rooms this trip, so we're down one room, now we're going to the next room. Jane apparently brought a swimsuit to go swimming, but it's cold and windy.
I mean, it depends on what the water is like. I'm sure the falls will just be a trickle at this time of year. We think Doyle is
brown sky.
We made it. We are at the lower Doyle's River Falls. They are more impressive, but really it's just an impressive spot. We're in this sunlit gorge with the trees all around. It's beautiful. People are passing by with their dogs. It's been a fun trek.
Oh my god. Jane, what are you doing?
You made fun of me for bringing this towel, but I will say your feet need dry. What do we have right here? Oh yes! But first, just for luck, Super Bowl 2018! We washed our feet, we're gonna put our shoes on, start a hike back up, have a snack, and then after we get maybe to where all of our food is stored in the trunk, we'll have lunch.
What's that right here, Jane?
It sounds like rushing water?
Is that another fall?
I don't know, I thought we'd already seen all the falls.
This sign will tell us the way. Hark! Lower Doyle's Fall is down that way. That was Upper Doyle's Fall. Here it is, the real Lower Doyle's River Falls. Okay, so now that I've seen the real Lower Doyle's River Falls, I have to apologize to the real Upper Doyle's River Fall. I called it lame, and it's not lame. But both falls are totally worth the trek, and I think now it's time for us to make that long journey back up to the top where we started. It's probably gonna take us like a couple, maybe an hour or so, hour and a half, because we basically walked straight down.
Solid as a rock, solid as a rock. Love is as solid as the rock of Gibraltar. So come to the altar with me. Love is as solid as a rock, solid as a rock. Love is as solid as the rock of Gibraltar. So come to the altar with me. Love solid as a rock. Solid as a rock. Love is as solid as the rock of Gibraltar. So come to the altar with me. Come to the altar with me. Come to the altar with me. Come to the altar with me.
So we returned back from Doyle's River Fall and we had lunch at a beautiful overlook. But now we are currently on Black Rock Mountain.
Black Rock Summit.
So currently we're on Black Rock Summit, which is this crazy pile of rocks on top of a mountain. Okay, we are at the top of the Black Rock Summit.
It is windy and cold, but it has amazing views. You can kind of see all around us.
Yes, I think we're gonna get going because it's so cold up here, but it's definitely worth the hike. Whoa! Check out the view. This is out our back door. The sun is just about setting over the valley. You can see far into the distance. The Blue Ridge Mountains are slowly fading into the evening. The sun is just casting this brilliant glow over the trees. The leaves are rustling in the wind. The clouds are just rolling through the pale blue sky. I really think we need to figure out ways to prioritize seeing more of this and seeing less of the inside of our apartment. And Jane just came back with a bucket of ice to put some day-old champagne on ice so we can drink it later.
This hotel does have its amenities, rustic or no.
Yes. Tomorrow's supposed to be kind of a drizzly day, so I think we might go see some caves. We'll go caving. We'll hide out from the Civil War in a cave.